Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today is January 6th as I'm recording this, and tomorrow I will be running my first running race of the year, which is the Griffith Park Resolution 5K. They also have a 12K and a half marathon as well, but we're gonna go on the lower end of the three, so it's a great way to start up. So let's get it started, and the first things first, we're gonna go pick up our bib over at a running shop in Pasadena, so let's go. Morning. It is race day. It's about, let's see, 7:31. The race starts at about 8:20, I believe. The half marathon and 12K are going on right now. But yeah, I'm gonna warm up just a little bit. As you know, I already got my bib yesterday, so I'm 1274, and yeah, I'm just gonna find out where the start line is and let's do my thing. Let's get on going. Alright, rocking over. It's nice and chilly this morning, but of course, as you all know, once we start running, we'll start warming up. So, looking excited. Sun is finally coming out. So that right there. And it's a nice day. Some clouds here and there, but not too much. Looking forward to it.
on peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside? I know it's hard sometimes to believe it, that you deserve more. Let me hear you say it. Oh, quit the job you hate and love the ones you love. 'Cause have you ever really thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside? We don't need someone to feel alright.
My foot's aching a little bit, so taking another walk break. But so far so good. We're about over 2 miles in. Here we go, last mile. Alright. I got a ton of freebies, energy drinks that I'm gonna try, so I'm gonna go home now and rest. And finished the first race of the year, the Griffith Park Resolution Run. I did the 5K race, and happening at the same time was a half marathon and a 12K race. So different options for people who choose to go on longer runs. It was great to be out there today, the first run of the year, and seeing all the families out there having a good time, and just people all around wanting to get their exercise in. And of course, for those of us who finished, we got this pretty neat medal. way. Check that out. As well as this shirt right here, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna wear it the whole day and show it off as much as possible. And I believe, according to the ribbon here, it's the first of this particular race. So it's an inaugural run, which is pretty neat. So hopefully we'll continue to have more of this one. I haven't actually ran the Griffith Park before. I've ridden a bike there before, but never ran it. So that's pretty cool. So I hope to do more runs there in the near future. And we'll end it here. Thank you so much for joining me on this fun run. I hope you had a good time. Do come back next week, as I have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.